Do you have that one cleaning client that you absolutely love to work with? Maybe they send you texts about how much they appreciate the work that you do, or they're always referring you out to their friends, or maybe they're just really grateful that you clean for them and they tell you that they're so grateful for you and the work that you do for them and they appreciate it so much. And how does this make you feel when your customer is telling you how grateful they are for you or how much they appreciate you? Most likely it feels pretty amazing. It feels really nice to be appreciated and to have people grateful for the work that you do. But it's about the feeling that is what is most important here. I built my business for more than 30 years on connecting and developing relationships with my clients, and that is how I was able to attract high-paying, loyal clients for all the time in my cleaning business. And this starts at the very beginning with the very first phone call. Yes, a phone call, not the texting. So make sure you're getting on the phone with these clients or your potential cleaning clients. When you start focusing on connecting with your cleaning clients, you will start to attract more ideal clients and higher paying clients for your cleaning business.